No cows were hurt in the making of this video.
Hi, in this video we're going to cover how to set up a promotion, get single-use coupon codes, and protect your inventory for promotions where you're launching a product or you're trying to get more reviews or increase the sales velocity. This is really the type of promotion where you're discounting, very heavily discounting the product or giving it away for free to reviewers in order to get reviews and to increase your sales velocity as well. So first of all, you want to go to advertising and then promotions. And within promotions, the type of promotion we want, I'm not sure what external benefits is, money off. Okay, and buyer purchases at least this quantity of items, purchased items. So what we need to do is create a product selection for your particular item. So in this case, the product I'm going to use an ASIN list as an identifier, create product selection. Okay, so what we need to do here is put the product ASIN in of the product that you want to do the promotion for. Then you need some text, so iPhone 6 case SKU 1, just so I recognize exactly what product this is, so I know what this ASIN is. You can put whatever you want in here, just make it relevant so you know exactly what ASIN you've put in. So that's it. So I've created the product selection. I hit submit, and now you see that when we go back to create a promotion over here, money off promotion. Okay, so buyer purchase at least this quantity of items, we can leave as it is. Purchased items, and now we need to select. So I've got iPhone 6 case SKU 1. That's the product ASIN I just created. So what it is it's linking this promotion with that one ASIN. And I strongly recommend you keep one product to one promotion. That way it's much easier to manage. You can turn it off and on independently without worrying how it affects your other products. So every time you create a new product selection, keep each SKU, each ASIN totally separate from each other and create individual promotions for them when you're doing the promotion for reviews or for launch or to increase your sales velocity. Buyer gets, what I usually use is an amount off. My product currently sells for $8. When I'm doing a promotion to launch a product or to get more reviews, I'm either giving the product away at a heavy discount and giving it to them at $1, or I'm giving it away for free. And free usually gets me a lot more reviewers than a discounted price. And so then I can ensure I get the number of reviews that I want because I have a much wider selection of reviewers. So my product's $8. What I normally put in is something a couple of bucks more, because sometimes I may change my price to $9 in the next couple of weeks. I don't want to have to go in and change promotions. So if I put in $10, it's covering any plus or minus price difference and changes I make. So the reviewer who gets the single-use coupon code is going to get my product minus $10. If that's negative, it just rounds to zero. So I don't need to worry about them getting cash out of my account. So my product costs $8, take away 10, they're going to get it for free. Applies to purchased items, advanced options. We don't need to do anything with this at all. So that's it. So all we're doing is leaving the top line, putting in the product selection. So we've selected the right ASIN. Buyer amount off. This should be, so basically your product price minus this number should leave the product at $1 or free, or it can be negative as in my case because it rounds to zero anyway. Start date. You'll notice that it starts around 4 hours later. I'm not working at 8 p.m. on Sunday. It's actually 11 a.m. on Monday here where I am in Asia. Start date is automatically set. End date, what I normally do is I try to do all promotions around ending the same time so that when I need to go and recreate them or edit them, I can do everything at the same time. So I have all my promotions currently ending the end of February. So if I need to make any amendments, I know that all the promotions running at the same time. But you can put that a year out. It doesn't affect you at all. Internal description. Okay, so this is just your reference again. So I've copied and pasted the same name as the SKU, iPhone 6K, SKU 1, and then what is it? So it's $10 off. That's all that this promotion is. And I copy and paste the same for the tracking ID. These references are just so I know what this is. Okay, here we go. So we've set up the details of the promotion. This is the key part in protecting your inventory. Group claim codes have no quantity limits. If the group claim code is posted on a social media site, your entire inventory could sell out in a short amount of time. Basically, if you use a single use code, a single code for every reviewer, there's a possibility that someone shares that. Someone can go in and buy all the existing stock you've got left in your account at the $1 or get it free, and there's almost nothing you can do about that. So this part's key. You have to make sure you protect your inventory in the following way, and I'll show you that. So first of all, you want to hit claim code, 1 redemption per customer. So they're limited as to how many they can get. Claim code compatibility. This basically is referring to can they use this if they're getting your product to do a review and they've used the single-use claim code you send them. Can they also at the same time get other products discounted and include it in the same shipment and cart? That's my understanding of what claim code compatibility is. So what I normally do is leave it as unrestricted or exclusive. Both are okay. Unrestricted, I think, allows them to basically get your product and review it, get another product and review it. If you just want them to get your own product and review it at one time, then I would leave it as exclusive. Is fine. Okay, so this is the key. The detail page display text, we want to uncheck that box. So basically, this claim code isn't shown anywhere on your page, on your listing now. If you leave that checked, that will be shown on your page and anyone can get that discount. So next, we hit review. Okay, so $10 off, fine, yep, end date, okay. Claim code, 1 redemption per customer. I've put it as exclusive. I would recommend you do it as exclusive to start with. Check out display text, promotion applied, that's it, and submit. Okay, so that promotion's now being created. And it isn't showing in our promotion list yet, because it's brand new. So we just change that to all. There we go. And we're looking for this new promotion. As you can see, I've tested a lot of different promotions. Here we are. iPhone 6 case, SKU 1, $10 off. Okay, so what we want to do is click on that. And then to create the single-use code. A single-use code is basically one reviewer gets one code. They can use it one time to get one product at one discount. And that's it. It can't be used again. And if they put the code in wrong and mess something up, they'll come back to you and say, hey, I used the code, but it doesn't work, or it's broken, or can I have another code? It's because this code is like, what would it be compared to? If you've ever bought an iTunes card or an Amazon card in the shop and you scratch it off, that's it. Once it's used once, you can't use it again. So what we're doing is now creating the claim codes, manage claim codes, group name, so launch promotion SKU 1 iPhone 6 case. This is just a reference for myself. How many codes do I want? Well, I'm planning on doing a 200 product launch. So I'm going to create 200 individual codes. And here they are. and I'm just going to hit download. And that's it. Just move this onto the screen so you can see. I don't know why it's being annoying, but I'll show you here. So what it's done is when I've downloaded that document, it's a notepad document and it's sent me all of these individual codes. If you're using a review service, most likely you just upload this whole list and each individual code will be sent out to a reviewer. There's nothing further you need to do. It matches back to your promotion. If you need to create more, it's very simple. You just come back here, you enter how many you want, you give it a reference name, and then you can create the individual use codes. And because we've unchecked the display text in the promotion setup, then that main code for your promotion isn't displayed anywhere, and you don't want to give that to anyone. You just want to give out these individual use codes, which once they're used one time, that's it, they're gone. So it protects your inventory that way. This video will self-destruct in 5 seconds.